Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video detailing the fix that I found for my issue I had with the ASUS Xognar DG not transmitting the back panel audio jack's input to my Discord application. So this happened with my relatively old now. I think it's from 2012. I think this sound card is from 2012. And just late last year, I reinstalled Windows 10, and the sound card stopped working. So it took me a while, but I finally found the option to fix all of this mess. So right now, let me unmute my headset. And you can see test, 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 it is working. So if you're having this problem too, this is where you find the option to the option to enable your microphone again. So open up in your tray here, go ahead and open up your Xognar DG Audio Center. And you go down here, expand the Audio Center, go into the Mixer tab, and you'll see the playback volumes. But go over here to the Record screen, and this little wrench icon right here, this tiny little thumb, click on that, and mine was set to front mic. It just set itself to front mic. My front jack is broken. I don't ever use the front mic, and microphone was enabled, or microphone is what I enabled. So set it to microphone, click OK. You can even monitor this to see if it's working, so just click on this button. Sometimes it takes a while for that button to activate. Let me unmute this, and it'll start showing me my voice and playing it back. So now that we've got that, go ahead and take off the monitor, or you'll be hearing yourself in your headset. Go ahead and close this. I have my Windows sound device set to that same thing, Microsoft ASUS Xognar. It works in Windows. Mic test, mic test. There is my voice right there. And over here in Discord, we can check the microphone. Testing, testing, testing. It's working perfectly now. So that that is where the option is to enable the back panel microphone on this amazing sound card. I love the sound quality that comes out of this thing, and I really didn't want to get rid of it just so I could use a headset, and now I don't have to.